In this video I will show you how you can connect your Spaceship domain to Vercel. So this is really easy. Firstly, I'm going to open my project in Vercel. So I have this simple calculator created, and let's say I want to add my Spaceship domain to it. So you can do it by going to domains on the left side, and then from here add existing domain, and you want to paste your Spaceship domain. So I will click on Launchpad, then Domain Manager. You want to copy your domain, which you want to use. So I have only this one, so I'm gonna copy it, paste it here, and make sure this is checked. So this will redirect this domain to this domain. So with the www, then click Save. And now it will show you those two invalid configurations. So you need to click on Learn More under each one. And you need to add those two records in Spaceship. So first one is A. So this is the type. Type is A. Name is this symbol, and this is the value. Second one is CNAME. Name is www, and this is the value. So I will copy the value of the first one, A record. And you want to click on your domain in Spaceship, then name, servers, and DNS. Advanced DNS. And from here, got it. And if you already have existing records, like me, I have connected Shopify domain, it will show you error. So if I click on add new record, A, and I'm gonna paste the value, I'm gonna type the symbol. So the host is the name, and this is it, add. It's showing me it's conflicting A record. So I will click on add record, and I will remove my old records. In order for it to be working, I removed my old records, and now this is my new A record from Vercel. And also I need to add the second one, so CNAME www, and this is the value. So click on add record, CNAME www, and paste the value, add. And now it's showing in propagation, so you just need to wait for it to propagate, and then you will see small check marks on this icon, and then you know it's connected. You can also click on refresh on Vercel, and as you can see, the first one is done, but it's still generating a SSL certificate, so just need to wait for that. And the second one is also checked, so we are just now waiting for this SSL certificate, and then it's going to be connected. So after it's propagated, you'll see those check marks, as I said, so this means it's successful. And on the Vercel, you should see valid configuration on both records. So now if I go back to my project, as you can see, domains, it's this domain, so this is how you can connect your Spaceship domain to Vercel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.